Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Ferdiana Putri, the daughter of an agribusiness student, batch 2021, with student ID number 150. This video was made to fulfill my final semester exam assignment. Here, I will explain about jasmine commodity in Bangkalan. Starting with the existing condition. Burneh district is the center of jasmine flowers in Bangkalan Regency. The number of jasmine plants in Burneh sub-district is 2,016,700 trees, and the total production in 20,212,800 kilogram. Total productivity is 0,60 per trees. Next, potency. East Java, one of the production central and as a supplier of jasmine seeds in Indonesia, has a production center area in Bangkalan Regency of approximately 550 hectare and Pasuruan covering an area of approximately 15 hectare. Bangkalan Regency products Ratoe Phu jasmine commodity and was selected as one of leading ornamental plant in East Java with the large area in Tunjung Village, Burneh district. The need for the jasmine for domestic show flowers reaches 288 tons per year, while the raw material for the tea industry is 2,160 tons per year. The export market share is also wide open, one of which is Singapore, which is also able to absorb 360 tons per year. Currently, the product of Ratoe Phu jasmine is around 10 kg per hectare per day, so that the production in 1 year is only the 180 ton per hectare. The problem of jasmine commodities in this Burneh sub-district include: A. Jasmine farming is still done traditionally and the development of the area is relatively stagnant. B. There are about 250 jasmine farmers but only 40 people who cultivate is commercial or in the form of beds. Most of the others only cultivate in the form of a year without incentive. In the first agribusiness subsystem, namely upstream, includes 1. Cleaning. Soil tilling is carried out until the soil becomes loose. Planting holes are made with a length, width, and depth of 30 times 30 times 30 cm. The grooves in the planting hole are filled with compost of mature manure. Plant spacing is 40 cm times 80 cm. 2. Fertilization. Basic fertilizer with manure 10 tons or tons per hectare. Follow-up fertilizer with urea 300 kg plus SP36 300 kg plus KCl 100 kg per hectare per year given every 3 months. 3. Watering. Performed intensively according to plant needs and soil moisture condition. In the dry season, it is done every day, especially when planting until the plants are 1 month old. 4. Spraying. Spraying in the research area is carried out 4 times a year or every 3 months. This activity is carried out in the Second, on farm. The source of capital for jasmine cultivation activities obtained from own capital, and there has never been any disbursement of funds from formal institutions. Working capital is used to purchase seeds, purchase fertilizer, and so on. Most of the status of cultivating or working the land of self-cultivate, and only a small part is in labor with 50 profit sharing for the cultivator. The distance from the house to the place of farming or in the rice fields is around 2 kilometers, and relatively low for farmers whose jasmine languish in their yard. On average, each farmer gets between 2 to 1 kilogram of jasmine per day. The treat processing. Ratu Epo jasmine flower product in Tunjung Village are used as show jasmine and rose jasmine flowers. Show jasmine flower usually used for gift, pilgrimages, and for offerings at traditional ceremonies in the community, while string jasmine flower are used for wedding ceremonies. The essential oil of jasmine flower is widely used for high-quality perfume and cosmetic industry. The fourth, marketing. Jasmine farmer Ratu Epo sells his harvest every day. The marketing of Ratu Epo jasmine is strongly influenced by the season and market condition. During the rainy season, jasmine production will increase sharply, resulting in an abundance of jasmine flowers in the market. This triggers a decrease in the price of jasmine received by farmers. In certain months, such as December or commemorating Christmas Day, the celebration of Islamic holiday and the season of weddings, the demand of jasmine flower will increase sharply and will be followed by an increase in prices in Indonesia farmer level. When the need for show and flower arrangement increase with weddings and religious ceremonies, the price of flower will increase. Meanwhile, when demand decreases, price will drop drastically. Opportunities that can be offered to deal with problems when price fall are to process jasmine flowers into industrial material. Next, the five institutional. 1. Burnet Subdistrict Agriculture Center. 2. Department of Agriculture and Plantation. Followed by our policies and regulation. Di Bangkalan, government policies to develop Ratu Epo rice farming by intensification, considering that this area has a land potential of 97,000 hectares that has not been utilized. And the last one is analysis and solution. Jasmine farmers in the research area who are still working on jasmine farming in their yard should immediately switch to overlay or commercial jasmine cultivation, because Ratu Epo jasmine farming is indeed feasible to be developed commercial and visible to profit relatively large profit. That's enough explanation for me. I'm sorry if there are wrong words and wrong pronunciation, because here I am also learning. I'm not library. I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.